Hello viewers, welcome to another video of Crafts Heaven. Today we are going to make a flower vase beer using plastic bottles. Other simple materials are given in the description. So let's start the video. Take a 1.25 liter cola bottle, mark and cut the bottle in 3 pieces. Bottom part is 13 cm and neck part is 5 cm as shown in the video. Take a hard paper and cut a round shape to fit in the bottle. Take some sand and fill the bottle with sand up to 3 cm for balance. Cover the sand with that paper and fix it with glue. Cut the edge of the bottle's upper part as 1 cm vertically as shown in the video. Place the neck part over the bottom part and attach them with tape. Take some cotton and fix it with the bottle for belly shape. Measure the combined bottle, cut the fabrics according to the measurement and cover the bottle using glue gun. Have a look at the patterns to make the body parts of the beer. Cut fabrics according to the patterns. Sew all the body parts using sewing machine. Stuff the body parts with cotton. Close the body parts with hand stitch. take another 250 ml plastic bottle and cut it according to the video. Stuff the head part with cotton and place the bottle part in the middle of the head. Make a hole at the top of the head. Attach the head part with the main body part by hand stitching. Use two black and round shaped fabrics of 1 cm as eyes and put two bead eyes on it. Make a nose by black thread. Attach hands, legs and the tail with the main body. Make fingers with black threads. Decorate the bear with bow tie. Our flower vase with bear is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our channel.